Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online classes. We are studying New Oxford Modern English Book 5. Today is our lecture number 3. We are going to read paragraphs 10 to 14. The name of the unit is The Word in a Wall. Theme of the chapter is Self, Family, Home, Friends, and author name is Carol Tuell. Students, take out your pencils to underline difficult word. He uttered a roar of fright. Uttered mean make a voice. Who uttered a roar? Larry, of fright that brought Roger out from beneath the table. Barking wildly with a flink. Flick means a sudden quick movement of his hand. He sent the unfortunate scorpion flying down the table, and she landed midway between Margot and Leslie. Scattering means spreading babies like confetti. Confetti means small colored papers that we use on the birthdays, such as she thumbed on the cloth. And with that, there was a rapid change from peace to chaos. Chaos means disorder, confusion. Thoroughly enraged at this treatment, the creature sped towards Leslie, her sting quivering with emotion. Leslie leapt to his feet, overturning his chair and flicked out desperately with his napkin, sending the scorpion rolling across the cloth towards Margot, who promptly let out a scream that any railway engine would have been proud to produce. So, what has happened in these paragraphs? The sudden action created a chaos in the room. Roger began to bark loudly, and Margot screamed promptly. Leslie shouted to hit the scorpion with a book to get rid of it. Hey, look out, they are coming, screamed Margot. All we need is a book, roared Leslie. Don't panic, hit them with a book. Mother completely bewildered mean unaware by this sudden and rapid change from peace to chaos, put on her glasses and peered down the table to see what was causing pandemonium. And at that moment, Margot, in a vain attempt to stop the scorpion's advance, hurled a glass of water at it. The shower of water missed the animal completely but successfully drenched Mother. Drenched means soaked, wet, who not being able to stand cold water, promptly lost her breath and sat gasping at the end of the table, unable to protest even. Okay, what has happened in this paragraph? In order to avoid any attack from scorpions, Margot threw a glass of cold water over it, which was mist and drenched on the mother. Get a knife, hit them with a book, shouted Larry. That boy will kill the lot of us. Bah, look at the table. Knee deep in scorpions, kill them. Oh no, don't hurt them, I will catch them. I pleaded until eventually, backed up by Mother, Leslie's suggestion that the whole lot be killed was quashed. Quashed means rejected or stopped. Okay, what is happening here? Everyone was shouting and giving ideas to kill the female scorpions and its babies. When all the baby scorpions hide themselves under various plates and cutlery. By the time a certain amount of order had been restored, all the baby scorpions had hidden themselves under various plates and bits of cutlery. The result of this incident was numerous. Numerous means many. While the family, still feeling angry and frightened, moved to the sitting room. I spent half an hour rounding up the babies, picking them up in a teaspoon, and returning them to their mother's bag. Then I carried them outside in a saucer and reluctantly, hesitatively, reluctantly mean with hesitation, released them on the garden wall. Rocker and I went. I spent the afternoon on the hillside, for I felt it would be wise to allow the family to have a break before seeing them again. Now, what has happened in these paragraphs? Everyone was shouting and giving ideas to kill the female scorpions and its babies. When all the baby scorpions hide themselves under various plates and cutlery, the family members who were frightened moved to sitting room. The writer gathered all the babies and tried to put them on mother's back and decided to take them back in the garden. Larry developed a phobia means fear, about matchboxes. But from my point of view, the worst repercussion of the whole affair was that mother decided to try to stop me from exploring the animal world. You are running wild again. It is high time you received a little more education, she said. I am getting you a tutor. Now, what has happened at the end? This incident created a phobia to Larry about matchboxes, but for me, the most unwelcome consequence of the event was the decision of mother to arrange a tutor for me and stop me from exploring the animal world. Students, our reading of first chapter, The Word in a Wall, is done. We have explained the paragraph. Now your homework task is this. You are going to read the whole chapter, make a list of difficult words and write on your registers. Goodbye. Have a nice day.